Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Meco Eleverde brand air duster and vacuum cleaner combo. We're going to open it up, we're going to show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
Right, so as we get this open, first thing we're going to see is our user manual, a number of brushes here to kind of keep things clean, even a nice set of tweezers. Totally cool. We have a USB-C charger, some attachments, more attachments, and a lot of these come with brushes at the end, which is cool. So understand this is both a vacuum and a air blower, so it's going to have a lot of different options here. So depending on what kind of things you're trying to fill up with the air, we got a nice filter, a great bag for travel, portability. Obviously a filter in there. Comes with tape over the edge so it doesn't burn the battery, so it's probably got some juice left. And we'll get that opened up here. Show you how this probably just spins right off. And then you just use the other side here. Tighten on. This will come right out for easy cleaning. Alright, so let's get the tape off here and show you how this works. It looks like that's where the USB-C charger goes. Alright, so this thing comes mostly charged. Over here you'll see your power indicator. So it's just a flip switch to turn it on, and then on the back we'll have our adjusters here. But I wanted to show you that's where the USB-C charger goes, so we'll just literally plug that in to charge it. This is going to be your kind of your I guess high, medium, low adjuster. So once you turn this on, as you can see, it comes fully charged. And you'll just cycle through low, medium, and high, utilizing that. And again, of course, this is going to be vacuum. So automatically just going to show you that. And then, of course, it's going to blow on the other side. So please be aware that a lot of these, I'll just show you. A lot of these pieces are just going to hook right onto the back here. And they will screw in a little bit, so I don't know if you can tell that or not, but there's a little bit of a kind of a locking mechanism that will allow you to kind of just lock it in so this doesn't blow right off as you're looking to utilize the the blow feature. So this is going to be something that you want to use to just kind of clear out your keyboards, for example, brush through and blow out, and then afterwards you can vacuum right out as well. Alright, so just want to quickly show you like what it would look like if I was using both sides at once, which I won't, but I'm going to unlock this real quick just so you see an idea of how this goes in. And then the cool thing on this is this will actually go down. If you want, you can pull this down and lock it into a position down there, or you can remove it completely, or you can kind of just pull it back. So a lot of different features there, but all you're going to do is literally just turn this thing on, and you can just vacuum out. And or, again, if we want to just go the other direction, I'm just going to turn this around and wait till it locks in. And then I can literally just blow this out. So I don't know if you're able to see the keys that are moving a little bit from the power of this thing, but lots of strength here. I usually keep this pretty clean, so I do usually a great job of keeping it clean. But afterwards, what you can do is literally just clean up your desk by just kind of using one of the tools. This is really a nice feature for computers, quite frankly. So if you kind of go underneath, I keep my my hard drive underneath, or my desktop underneath my desk. quite frankly, and so get a lot of dust. And this thing is really good for blowing out and vacuuming in areas like that. So to me, totally worth it. Hopefully this review helps, and thanks for watching.